This is homework for Wednesday and 11/25/16, and this is in your homework packet. It's page 34, number 4 from the Unit 4 homework packet, but you're going to put it in your grid comp book. You're not going to put it in OneNote. And you're going to put it in your grid comp book under the same section you were writing in yesterday, which is solving systems with substitution. You only have this one problem, and so here's the setup. There are 26 questions on the test, and they're made up of essay questions and multiple choice. The essay questions are 8 points, and the multiple choice are 3, and they want to know how many essay questions there are. The whole test was worth 123 points. So if x equals the number of essay questions and y equals the number of multiple choice, then the first equation is x plus y equals 26. And then since the essay questions are 8 points and the multiple choice are 3 points, and the whole test was worth 123 points, the second equation is 8x plus 3y equals 123. These are the two equations in your system. Be sure that you have them written down. Be sure that you define what x represents and what y represents. It should all be written down in your grid comp book underneath the same spot yesterday, which was solving systems with substitution. Okay, so now I noticed that both of these are written in standard form, and you right now don't have any method other than graphing for solving when both equations are in standard form. So I'm going to rewrite this into y equals mx plus b form so I can use substitution. To do that, all I have to do is subtract an x on this side, the left side, and subtract an x on this side, the right side. When I do that, I'm going to get y equals either 26 minus x or negative x plus 26. So this equation, x plus y equal 26, is the exact same as y equals negative x plus 26. These are equivalent expressions. So now I'm going to use this, and I'm going to substitute it in here using substitution, because that's the method we're using. I'm going to a new screen so I have room to write. So here are the two equations in my system. And I highlighted the x equal part here, the y equal part here, and I highlighted where it's going to go. Remember, that's step 1 in solving with substitution. The second step is to rewrite this equation, but instead of putting a y there, I'll put this there. So 8x plus 3 times negative x plus 26 equal 123. Now I have to solve this, so 3 times negative x is minus 3x, and 3 times 26 is 78. So now I have 8x minus 3x plus 78 equal 123. I have to combine these two because they're like terms, and 8x minus 3x is 5x. So now I have the equation 5x plus 78 equal 123. Trying to get the x by itself, I'm going to get rid of the positive 78 first by subtracting 78. And if I do that on this side of the equal sign, the left, I have to go over here to the right and do that as well. And of course this is going to be nothing, so now I have 5x, and 123 minus 78 is 45. The equation 5 times x equals 45 can be solved with division, so I divide by 5 here, and divide by 5 here, and I got x equals 9. Now in step 4 you have to solve twice, once for the x and once for the y. So I'm going to put this 9 back into here, because the x is 9, so I'm going to put it right here. So I'm going to go 8 times 9 plus 3y equal 123. That's going to give me 72, because 8 times 9 is 72, plus 3y equals 123. I got to get the y by itself, so I'm going to subtract 72 here and over here. That's going to give me 3y equals 51. I divide by 3 here, I divide by 3 here, and y equals 17. That means that my actual answer to this system is the two lines intersect at 9, comma 17. And that's it, you're done. Have a great night.